And I'm Huck, and we're doing the tool time on the miter saw. It is a good tool for cutting any angles you want because you can change the angles along here and up here later. We'll show you how to do that, but right now we'll talk about clamping and safety aspects.
This here is your clamp for the miter saw. Right here you see you have an attachment that goes in to this hole here. It should stay there. Push the clamp to where the wood is, lock the clamp by flipping the switch, and tighten it. Then you are ready to cut your wood.
And you don't want to have your hands in here, and be careful because sometimes if you cut wrong, this will fly. So keep your hand on the wood and one on here, and I'll cut a straight angle for you. You'll always want to hold the saw in until it's completely done rotating so you don't bring it up and it hits the wood. And now I'll show you how to cut angles. You'll loosen this knob and then you turn to whatever angle you want it. But I guess we'll go this way today. Like that.
Tighten the clamp back up.
We're going to do 25 degrees.
Yep.
So now it's a 25-degree angle cut, and Gabe will demonstrate it.
And then you got an angle cut, and I'll show you the last thing you can do. You can actually change this by untightening that right there, and it will turn however you want it. So I'll set it about there, and that's 20 degrees.
So we're cutting on 20 by 25.
Oh,
25 degrees on the bed.
it's not gonna hit the yet.
Tighten it back up. Do you want me to cut this one?
You want to?
Sure. I will cut this angle.
I wasn't expecting. Oh, I noticed. It goes straight
And then
to there,
it's got an
dumbass.
angle like that,
Yeah, which goes up there.
so you can
Make
go.
a wall
Yeah,
or
and the-
something.
So you can
And
make
your
a
miter.
corner like that. You can make your corner or leave it the way it was. And those are your three angles. And I guess don't ever have your hands where it has not signs. It is a good tool to use but can be very dangerous.
Do not touch the blade with your hand. Done. You can cut now.